Most people in their 20s think becoming rich is about earning more money. But the truth? Wealth is often determined by what you don't buy. Because every dollar you waste today is a dollar that can't be invested. And in your 20s, time is the most powerful wealth-building tool you have. So if you want to build real wealth early, avoid these 5 purchases that quietly keep people broke. Number 1. Brand new cars. A new car might feel like a success symbol. But financially, it's a disaster. The average new car loses about 20% of its value in the first year and roughly 60% after 5 years. That means a $40,000 car can lose $8,000 in value in just 1 year. And it gets worse. The average new car payment is now around $748 per month. Imagine investing that $748 every month instead of paying for a car. That's how wealth is built. In fact, a study of 10,000 millionaires found that many of them drive practical brands like Toyota and Honda instead of luxury cars. They focus on assets, not status. And if you're learning something valuable so far, hit the like button and subscribe, because this channel is all about helping you build real wealth early. Number 2. Luxury designer clothing. Fashion trends change fast, but your money disappears even faster. Many fashion items lose 50 to 70% of their value almost immediately after purchase. Wealthy people usually don't build wealth by constantly upgrading their wardrobe. They invest first and upgrade later. Number 3. The newest phone every year. Smartphones can lose 30 to 60% of their resale value within a year due to rapid technology updates. Buying a $1,200 phone every year might seem normal, but that's $12,000 over 10 years. Invested in the stock market instead, that money could grow dramatically over time. Number 4. High-interest credit card debt. Many credit cards now charge around 21% interest on average. At that rate, debt grows faster than most investments. Which means instead of your money working for you, you're working for the bank. And number 5. Impressing people with lifestyle spending. Expensive dinners, flashy gadgets, luxury vacations just for social media. These purchases create the illusion of wealth, but they destroy the foundation of it. Most self-made millionaires actually build wealth through consistent investing over decades, not flashy spending. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Your 20s are your wealth-building cheat code. Because money invested early has decades to compound. So before buying something expensive, ask yourself one question. Will this make me look rich? Or actually become rich? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more videos that break down money, investing, and wealth building in simple terms. Because the earlier you learn these lessons, the earlier you can become financially free.